The new curriculum that has been designed to draw with the old curriculum, I believe it is the best. Why am I saying so? This new curriculum, it is child-centered and non-teacher-centered. It gives a wider range of research that has to be done by a student on his or her own, basing on the fact that it involves a lot of research right from class, outside the class, use of internet, and so many other things. Then when it comes to after class, that is after that hour of maybe between 2 onwards, 2 p.m., you find that learners have a wider range of time, okay? That time, for us here in Good Choice, you have seen the trending videos. We use it for some other business. That is co-curricular activities, skilling the learners. Take an example. For us, we have catering as a skill, okay? That is food and nutrition. You have seen the learners in the FN lab. We have tailoring, we have electrical installation, we have building and construction, we have sweater knitting, we have hairdressing. So meaning that a learner has a lot of time to an extent that we engage them in such activities or scaling department or side. For us here in Good Choice, we are equipping learners with a lot of skills, very many skills, meaning that they are not going to be job seekers, but rather job creators in the job market. You look at learners of senior 1 up to senior 4, they have a skill, have been assessed by DIT, and they are awarded with rather certificates. They are holistic. We produce holistic learners that have been equipped with a wider range of skills, meaning that they are not going to be job seekers in after school. And these certificates that they are given, they are in 3 categories. We have modular assessment, we have level 1, that is for senior 1, then senior 4. Then for the side of senior 6 and senior 5s, they are given level 2 certificate under DIT assessments in different occupations. Being that we are employing very many teachers, for us being that we have a dual curriculum, skilling, then arts and sciences, you find that some of the teachers who teach learners arts and sciences, they also go for these skills, okay? Meaning that we also equip the teachers with a number of skills. Just of recent, last year, I had a teacher, is a teacher of technical drawing, but he went ahead and sat for DIT exams, and he was awarded with a certificate in building and construction. That is a value addition on top of teaching technical drawing as a subject, then as a skill. Yes. So my advice to all the teachers, they should get involved in these skills. Leave alone teaching history as a subject, leave alone teaching English as a subject, geography. They should get involved in these skills.
Now, there's been some interesting debate in Uganda about the real estate sector and other forms of investment. And the discussion, okay, let's begin.
Because it is the way to go in this Uganda without jobs. Yeah, it's my little advice that I can give to our teachers. The other issue that I would like to talk about is changing the mindset of our teachers. Do away with the classroom teaching. Go back to what you must do after school. That is, you are done with the lessons, you are done with your chemistry, biology, history, English. What do you do after school, okay, to fit in the Uganda without jobs? Take an example. I myself, I am a teacher. I heard these teachers here at Good Choice, but I have a workshop somewhere. I do welding, meaning that is a value addition. You can as well acquire money, you can earn money in different fields without this education of ours or education system that we have here in Uganda. You can have a farm rearing chicken. You have seen our learners in class. Some of them are getting involved in building and construction. What do you do as a teacher after teaching? It's my little advice to the teachers. Thank you.